Hello! Let's create a creative octopus with 40 centimeters of jewelry wire, size 8 seed beads in your preferred color, and 2 black beads for the eyes. Here is a photo for you to use as a guide to know how many beads to place in each row. As you can see, we start with the head, which consists of 3 beads. What we do is cross our wires through the beads. First 3, then 5, then 6, then we will decrease to 5, then 4, which is the one that will hold the eyes. Finally, we will make the tentacles or arms, which in this case will be 5, so it's proportional to the size of the head. Remember to subscribe to my channel. This is the second video in the Sea Charms series. We are making with wire and beads to eventually make a necklace. So, you should continue making them, and in the end, I will upload a video on how to make the necklace and add all these beautiful charms we are making. To make the tentacles, we will take 5 beads and return through the first 4. Only through the first 4 we pull our thread, making sure the tentacle or arm sticks tightly to the body. Likewise, take another 5 beads to make the second arm or tentacle. Remember to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you don't miss the next charm we will be making. Since this is a series of sea charms to eventually create a beautiful necklace, after making our third tentacle, what we will do is pass the thread through the wire, but in between the 2 beads. We placed at the end of the body. After the eyes, we place 2 beads. Then, through the middle of them, we will wrap the thread around it, giving it 2 turns. Now take the wire from the other end and make the remaining 2 arms. Now we are going to wrap this wire at the end of the body we made, where the last 2 beads were placed. Well, we are going to do it on the side, as shown in the video. The next part is optional. I do it to give a little firmness to the head, which is passing the wire through the wire between the rows. It's just to reinforce that part and give it some stiffness. But as I said, this is optional. With the same part, I make the loop at the top to attach it as a charm. But if you don't want to do this part, just add a loop at the top. Remember to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. Here I wanted to help with a pencil, but the circle was too big. So what I did was make it a little smaller with my hands. And with the remaining wire, I simply closed it by rotating around the same axis. Cut and hide the tips. Flatten them so they don't harm, and our charm is ready. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.